Hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Ariel Davila, and on this video we are going to be drawing the skull at a 3/4 angle. But before we start to draw the skull, I recommend that you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell so you don't miss any other videos. Okay, when we draw the skull in a 3/4 angle or semi-profile, we are going to first draw the shape of the head, as you can see. I'm not doing it using the Andrew Loomis method, but if you want, you can do it using his method by starting with a circle. I'm just doing it this way because I think it saves me more time and it takes more steps to do the circle and then divide it into thirds. If I was using the Loomis method instead of a circle, I would make an oval for the cranial shape, because the skull has an elongated shape like an egg, especially when you draw it in profile. But in a 3/4 angle, we will make that oval not too long on the back, like when we draw it on a side view. As you can see now, we already have the basic form of the human head, and I save more time when I do it this way. And after you learn the method that Loomis created, it will be easier for you to start portraits in this way, since you have the basic information of building the head memorized in your head. The next thing we do is to draw this line from the top of the skull all the way down to divide the head in two. I'm going to be marking where the eyebrows and the base of the nose goes. Now I made this line in an angle showing where the back of the jaw is going. After that, I made that curved line that shows the flattened side of the head. Those other lines that I'm doing is to show where the eye sockets are, and after that I will start to draw the nasal cavity. You will see that after you draw the nose bone, it's going to be much easier to be able to draw the bone of the cheeks and also draw the cavity of the eye sockets, since the nose serves as a reference point to be able to locate or place these other parts of the skull. It is important that before we start to draw the eye cavities and the cheekbones, we make an horizontal line that goes from one side to the other side, so the cheekbones and the lower part of the eye sockets are all at the same level. Well, now I leave you with the rest of the video. Just follow along what I'm doing step by step, and I would like to remind you to like this video and share it with all your friends, and if you have any questions or any comment, you can leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.